Hello again, everyone. I picked up a loose ChoroQ at a used toy store. It's the Daihatsu Midget MP5. It's one of these tiny little post-World War II K-class trikes, I think. I don't know. I forget the stats on it. I think I may have reviewed a TLV of this if you want to look that up. But yeah, I was thinking maybe I'd modify this with some funky wheels. But looking at this rear image, it actually does have color-matched wheels, so I might just leave it alone. But yeah, this is a death trap. Look how small that is. It's probably rolling on 12-inch wheels. Like Honda Cub wheels kind of thing. Anyways, this is quite a large ChoroQ because they're fitting that spring motor. I mean, it looks like a large vehicle, but it's really small in the real world. So anyways, stamp steel wheels here, the nice rounded tires, which I wish they would go back to using tires like this. They have very slab-sided tires now. Some sort of company, I assume. It's like a delivery vehicle, I assume. Just clear windows there. Strange that they're not smoked. I like that they printed on the wiper blade. Some sort of the branding there again. And then these are clear. I assume they're vents to maybe go into the cabin. So this is all clear body, I guess, just painted yellow. They got a little silver here for this. I don't know what that is. Maybe a hand grab or is there a frunk here? Like a trunk in the front? I don't know. The molded in bumper is painted well. Unfortunately, this could have been played with by the previous owner. I'll have to see about Q-tipping that off later. There's a groove here. Didn't see that before. Not sure why you would have grooves there. Oh, there's a chrome strip on the photos, and this is the door handle. But here is just grooves. They would have been better to have bumps, but strange. Anyways, the windows have a little bit of a molding edge. Okay. And then very gappy, but so is the real one. Fender flare there. Okay, so I don't know what that says. Please leave a comment. I assume it's Midget or something. Daihatsu, maybe their old logo. Painted red glossy taillights look good, and then this canvas top doesn't come off. No, you'd think that would come off, but maybe it's been glued on by the previous owner. It's actually molded planking or something inside of there. How old is this thing? This is from 2003, and so we just have the trapped axle front wheel and 2 screws and a tab in the back, and it is a pull motor. You can see the clear body here. Alright, so I guess I'll just leave it alone. Interesting. So let's pull in a bunch of other random vehicles. I guess in a similar time frame, they have this Honda N360 pickup truck. I put this sticker on myself. I guess the original sticker fell off. I like that as a interesting wheels. Here's a Scion BB, which they put some aftermarket Hot Wheels alloys on, and it's a pickup truck. Yeah, so interesting. Also yellowish, mustard. This is called a Cuno, a Q Cuno. I put some Hot Wheels wheels on it. This is from 2002. So strange. And then this is another funky little Q-Volt. I 3D printed my own wheels on this one though. Okay. So a lot of weird funky little trucks in Japan. And then there's another line of products by this company called Chibico. And this is the same vehicle, even smaller. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell you what the vehicle is. Kind of silly, in my opinion. And there's another trike from Chibico, but I don't know what it is, because I've been too lazy to put a sticker on the bottom of it. But you can see, those are much smaller. They still have a spring motor, so you can wind them up and they'll take off and get scratched up on a wall. So this is proportionally a very large vehicle, but it should be really small, This is because they're trying to fit that spring motor. I think they could have designed it smaller though and still had a spring motor in it. Alright, well thanks for watching. Interesting. I guess there's probably other full-size choros of these old trikes, and if I find them for a decent price I'll probably get them. Thanks for watching. See ya.